Ba-dum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make profit from partnerships for video creators. So, had a call with a friend yesterday. He has a interesting channel, and we're trying to figure out how he can monetize it, kind of given the constraints, because he's not a coach or a teacher. So, what are the other ways that he can make money? So, we're going to talk about what we suggested and the partner profit for video creators. So, what's the goal? The goal is to create consistent revenue and to get cool toys. So one of the things that my wife used to talk about was she just wants to get presents in the mail. And so when we started doing these partnerships, we would reach out to people and they would send us stuff and it was like Christmas, right? She just loved getting presents in the mail. And so yes, you can get revenue, but a lot of times you can partner with cool products and just get cool toys, and that's a good side benefit. So what do people more usually think when they're trying to learn these strategies? They think it's not possible. They think they need to have a product to sell, or they think that they need to have a bigger audience to attract the right partners. Why is this flawed? The riches are in the blank, right? The riches are in the niches. And so, especially online, the more niche you are, the easier it is to find partners. And so, with these guys' channel where they're building this event center, they're using all these power tools, doing a bunch of construction. It's very niche, and so for all of the partners, it's going to be the right audience. So niche down, that makes it way easier to find partners. What's right? What's right? You can use other people's reach to grow, and you can use other people's products to make money. And there's a bunch of fun ways to do this, but what's right? Other people have reach, you can tap into it. Other people have products, you can sell them, and you can make money. And then you can grow your audience and your profits using other people's assets. Proof. My friend DJ made $6,000 when he did a sponsored Ultimate Sneakerhead giveaway. He had three sponsors pay him 2,000 bucks each. And then he got an additional 10,000 people, I think it was 10,000 people to his email list just from this one giveaway. And it cost him nothing, and he made $6,000. Plus, he had some affiliate sales, and he might have had some membership sales too. So just 6K in sponsor revenue, but there's other ways that you're going to make money from these 10,000 people that join as well. So, five good strategies for working with partners. Number one is going to be free giveaways. And so, a free giveaway is you partner with a company, they give away their product, and you hype it up. You do a countdown where you say, join this email list, enter the giveaway, and potentially win the thing. And and if you do it right, you can have the partner email their list because they have people on their list and following them on social media that is really interested in their products. So, hey, enter your email, get a chance to win this free thing. And so you can leverage their email list to grow yours. And then whatever social media you have, you do a countdown as well. You drive everybody to the same email list. And then you do the giveaway and you say, Jim is the winner. Congratulations. Send us your email send us your email, connect with us, and we'll send you the product right away. But then we say, but don't worry, we're all winners. You can buy the thing that we were giving away, you can buy it right now at a discount, or you can buy it right now and get a bonus. And that way you can just make affiliate sales. And so if you're selling products or services, you do these giveaways and you can partner with one company when you do it, or you can partner with 3 to 5 companies and say the ultimate giveaway. And then you have all of those partners email their lists that all come to your list, and then they're all targeted. They're all BDA businesses before, during, after. And then you have a list full of your ideal customers that you can sell to right now, you can sell to in the future. Very powerful to do free giveaways, especially if it's the right partners. Second strategy is sponsored videos. So once you start reaching out to the right partners, then they can just sponsor your videos and they can give you, 100 or 1,000 or $10,000 per video, depending on how your audience grows. And and it can be really powerful. Once you get started, you don't want to do these sponsorships with one-off sponsorships because it takes a lot of time and energy to negotiate, to go back and forth to make sure that it's a good fit or that it will work, that they want to do it. But what you want to do instead is you want to do one, and then you say, if this is good, then I want to do 6 months with you. I want to do a year with you. And that way, when you negotiate this one time, you get 6 months of sponsorship. And you can have multiple sponsors for all your videos and the same sponsors that you're doing giveaways with. are the sponsors that would be sponsoring your videos directly, and that's just another easy form of revenue. And then a shop center page. So a shop center page is where you host all of your recommended products. Because whatever industry you're in, you're the expert, and people come to you to filter out all the bullshit and figure out like what is the best tool, what is the best thing. In yoga, it's like what is the best yoga mat, what are the best blocks. If you're doing DIY construction, what drills do you use? I have a whole list of DIY constructions that we'll go over here in a second. But you should have one page with all of your recommendations, and all of those should be affiliate links. So if people buy, you make a percentage of the revenue. You can do a lot of it through Amazon, but you can also go to the companies directly and usually can negotiate a better affiliate relationship. So maybe they're 10, 15% on Amazon, and maybe you can get 30%, right? They usually have more margins. And so shop center page, right? And that's you just add a link and you say join like check out my shop center page and see all the products I recommend and drive your traffic there, and that will produce more affiliate revenue for you. And then we also talked about a DIY do-it-yourself recommended list as a free gift. So one of the things that, at least in this guy's situation, is it's hard. You always want to be building an email list, build an email list. And it can be hard depending on what niche you are, is, what's your free gift going to be? And for these guys who are doing construction and building a event center, they can have a recommended tools list, right? So click the link below, enter your email, and we'll send you all of the recommended tools we need or that we use so you can do your DIY product or project and make sure that it goes off really well and you're not using tools that suck. And so having a free gift like that, where then all of the YouTube videos can build the email list, right? Because what's going to happen with these guys is their videos are going to get more and more popular because they're doing a great job. And then as they get more views, we want to translate those views into our list, right? The biggest thing is just build a list, because there's lots of different ways once you have a list that you can make money. And so these are the 5 strategies that I would use: free giveaways, sponsored videos, shop center page, affiliate revenue, and a DIY recommended tools list. And so when you're thinking about what partners are right, you want to go, you want to figure out what's your BDA list: before, during, after. So whatever you're teaching, whatever your videos are about, what are people buying before they do that? What are they doing during their time? And what are they doing after? And for these guys, initially it was like we didn't have any ideas. So we went to AI, we asked AI to give us some examples. And so before they start building, what are the things that we could partner with that we could sell them before they even start building, right? Oh, designing tools. That's a great idea. So CAD software. Like there are softwares that people pay for monthly that they could say, this is the software that we use to design our thing. It's great. Sign up here and buy it. And they can get affiliate commission, and that might even be recurring commission. So if they get 1,000 people on that, they might be getting just recurring revenue as long as these people become subscribers to this CAD software. Blueprint services, solar wind design software, project management tools. Like of these ones, the CAD software is probably a really good bet. I would start with the CAD software. Survey mapping equipment, drones, right? Drones would be a great idea. So drones with cameras, so you can survey and map. Here's the drones that we use. Here's the layout. Here's the images we got, and here's a link where you can buy them. That's a really good idea. Permits and servicing, consulting on zoning, environmental impact. That's tough because if you want to have a nationwide audience, it's going to be tough to partner with people that can have that service nationwide. That's going to be mostly local people. So I probably wouldn't go into this because doesn't have a big enough reach. Financing and insurance. Oh, this is really good too. Off-grid construction loans, right? Who do you know that's lending on this type of stuff, right? Can you guys make a recommendation, and can you get paid for that recommendation? Or can you get, can you get paid for that recommendation? Building insurance. If there's a nationwide insurance company that makes sense, you could partner with them. Tools, equipment, insurance. I think off-grid construction loans would be really good, especially these guys are in the finance space as well. So that's a really good fit. They could probably find people that they could recommend it for if I'm going to do my project, who can fund it? Oh, go talk to Matt. Matt can fund it and get kickbacks that way. Prep gear, work boots. Yeah, you could sell work boots. What are the best work boots for, when you're dealing in water and you're walking on wood, and like what's safe, and if you have nails around, like these are the best work boots that we have. Buy them down below. Work gear, gloves, safety, headlamps. These are all great ideas for things that you could sell to this type of audience. Transport and storage, so cargo trailers, waterproof bags, storage containers. Those are all great as well because those are things that people need for these projects. During their time, during when they're building, let's see, power tools and hand tools. So, what company do you recommend for power tools and hand tools, and why do you recommend them? And here's a link to go buy them. Heavy equipment, generators. See, this is an interesting thing too, because a lot of these could be high ticket price points, and so you could probably get really good affiliate commission on some of them. Generators, skid steers, portable sawmills, bunch of stuff. So heavy equipment, right? Heavy equipment's really good. Safety gear, harnesses. I saw in their video they had some harnesses. What harnesses do you use, and why do you use them? Ropes, helmets, goggles, first aid kits. These are all great. These could all be on your shop center. Off-grid power systems, solar panels, batteries, inverters, generators, wind turbines. Those are all great. Water system, rain catchment, filters, pumps, tanks. That's really good. I think wa water systems would be a good thing to look into. Cooking and daily living gear. So camp stoves, dehydrators. Oh, dehydrators. I have a dehydrator guy I could introduce you to. Freeze dryers, portable fridges, right? Those are all good. Boats and marine gear. These guys take a boat to get to their island. And so what boat do you use? Why do you use it? Um, what motor do you use? What life vests do you use, right? Those are all good. Those might not be great. Communication and navigation, satellite phones, walkie-talkies, Starlink. I don't know if Starlink has an affiliate program, but yeah, Starlink would be a really good example of a good partner. Um, Work site comfort, tents, hammocks, portable showers, bed nets, coolers. Those are all pretty good. And then after they're done, right? After they're done, what product services can we uh, furniture and interiors, right? So what furniture do you recommend for outdoor? What kitchens, composting toilets, wood stoves, landscaping and gardening, right? So, if you're doing this DIY thing, you might want great landscaping, you might want good gardening. What product services do they recommend? Outdoor recreation, fishing gear, kayaks, these are all really good too. Paddle boards, hunting gear, hiking packs, health and wellness, sauna kits, yoga mats, meditation gear, natural supplements. Those are okay. Maintenance gear, tools for repairs, chainsaw sharpeners, water testing kits. Oh, that'd be good. Yeah, water testing kits would be a good one. Security and monitoring, trail cameras, motion sensors, drones, smart locks. That's all good. Community retreat services, retreat bookings, platforms, group travel, Airbnb style listings. That could be good as well. Especially if you're partnering with events, right? So who's already booking events and how can you partner with them so they will uh, book your event center? Partnership categories. Yeah. So here's just an overview of it, right? Outdoor waterwork or workwear brands, Carhartt, Patagonia, Danner Boots, tool companies, right? Milwaukee was one of the ones they mentioned. Off-grid power, right? So these are all the companies that they have right here, right? That they could reach out to and they could say, hey, I've got this great YouTube channel. It's growing. I'd love to talk about a collaboration. Um, Communications, insurance. Yeah, these are all great. So, hopefully that is helpful for you guys. So if you're a video creator, right, what is your transformation statement? Ask yourself who are the before, during, after businesses that your ideal client is purchasing, before they work with you, during their time with you, and after they work with you. And then use these strategies to generate revenue. See if they want to do free giveaways with you, see if they'll sponsor the videos, create a resource center or a shop center, and then create a free gift to drive people to your most recommended products that then would get you affiliate revenue. So hope that was helpful. If you want to implement a strategy like this in your business, you can join my membership accelerator. Uh, I am here every day from not every day, Monday through Friday from 9 to 8 to answer any questions that you have, to give you feedback just like in this video. And then in the classroom, there's a bunch of strategies that help you grow. And this is the irresistible giveaway funnel. And then, yeah, that's kind of the giveaway strategies right there. And then in the community, so you basically post your biggest constraint. I make videos. answering what's your biggest constraint. This guy had an issue with retention. This one had some issues with conversion. And so you just figure out what your biggest constraint is, and then we have all these proven strategies that work really well. So if you do want to join, it is $99 a month, and there's a link below this video. Hope this was helpful. Have a